Graphics card pricing is on a significant downward trend. Both Nvidia and AMD GPUs are at their lowest price in over a year, and graphics cards could sell at MSRP within 3 months, so is now the time to buy that RTX 3080 you've been drooling over. Well, graphics cards are still pretty overpriced. The marketing data compiled by Thread Center states that Nvidia RTX 3000 GPUs are still 41% above MSRP, while AMD RX 6000 cards are 35% higher than their manufacturer's recommended price, and although GPU prices have dropped by about 4% in the last 10 days, some customers may not notice an immediate change in pricing. That's because fluctuations in United States dollars and euro value are partially responsible for this recent price drop. All said, now's not the time to buy a GPU. You should wait a few months for pricing to reach normal levels. Even if GPUs don't reach MSRP within 3 months, pricing is on a clear downward trend that should continue barring any unexpected global events. Of course, remember, the recent GPU price hike is mainly due to an increased demand for graphics cards. Nvidia and AMD have struggled to meet this demand, a problem that's turned GPUs into a scalper's dream. Both Nvidia and AMD predict that they'll improve supply chain issues by the end of 2022, at which point graphics card pricing should become less